Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. So this is the look that I created for Saraswati Puja this year, and I tried to make it really simple. So I'll start off with moisturizing. This is one of my most favorite moisturizers, and this is drugstore as well. And I wanted to keep this look very normal and very wearable, and keeping in mind that this is a day look because normally the puja is in daytime. So I'll just talk you guys through what I think should be done on this day as a makeup purpose, not like puja, but yeah, so that your makeup stays all day long. So after prepping my skin, I prepped my lips as well with a very nice lip balm, and then I'll use a primer. This is from Lakme. Again, it's a drugstore primer and it's a very good primer. So I'm just applying it on my nose, especially I'm just concentrating it on the problem areas that it is meant for. So it's for pore filling and all of that, so I'll just apply it like that. And also, if I sound weird, that's because I have a very bad cold. So after the primer, all I'll do is I'll take my foundation, no BB cream, no CC cream, because they are low in coverage and also they will wear off easily and the foundation won't. So all you want to do is take foundation in a smaller quantity so that it does not look cakey and still looks like your skin. So yeah, that will be my advice. Avoid BB cream, CC cream, just go for foundation on this day. So here I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is so good. This is a very good foundation, one of my favorites. So what I'm doing is I am just blending it with my fingers first so that the beauty blender does not eats up the product. So I'm just spreading it a bit with my finger and then I'll blend it with a beauty blender. And also the coverage is totally up to you. If you want a full coverage, build it up, go for it. If you want a low coverage, just do what I did. And normally BB cream and CC creams looks too white on skin and I don't like the shade matte at all. So I just changed into this hoodie because I was feeling cold. And this is the concealer for the day. This is Elegirl Pro Conceal. This is such a good concealer. I am a fan. So this is not a highlighting concealer at all. This is just a simple normal concealer. I did not want it to highlight my face. I just wanted to keep it really normal, and so I'm just doing that. Also, I'm taking it really close to my nose so that it looks shaped. I'm really sorry if you can hear someone else speaking as well, because there are some cars parked in like beside my house and the cabbies are fighting amongst themselves, so I cannot really help it. Ignore that. So I just have applied the concealer in the necessary places. If you really want to know all about concealers, then you should check my video that I've done, and the series is called Ace the Base. I think it will be really helpful. I'll try to link it down in the description or in the iCard. So yeah, I'm blending the concealer all in and I'm really blending it well so that there is no trace. It should look like my skin, but better. You can also use a color corrector if you want. So I finally found the correct use of this Nika lipstick, because it definitely does not work as a lipstick. I could never use it. So I am using it as a blush, and guess what, this works so well as a liquid blush. This has been my go-to. Suddenly I just thought, without wasting it, I should try to use it as a blush, and it did work. So I'm using these, like I have two shades, and this here I have used the shade, I think, Dilli, and I have Bombay as well. I just used both of them as blushes. So this is my powder. I am taking the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm not baking at all. I'm just pressing the powder into my skin. You could see the quantity, it's very less. So I'm just setting my whole face with it, and this is the powder that you should definitely own. This powder makes the skin look almost airbrushed and it looks blurry. It is beautiful. You guys should try your hands on it. I'm also setting my smile lines with it. Okay, so now moving on to the brows, I am going to use the L'Oreal Brow Artist. This is the best drugstore brow pomade. You can go for this, like just go and trust me blindly, buy this unless and until you want to buy the Benefit Cut Brows. This is going to serve your purpose very well. So guys, I'll suggest you guys to always fill your eyebrows whenever you are doing any look, because this really frames your face, and I know it's a bit difficult, but once you get the hang of it, it's going to be perfectly fine. So as a bronzer, I took this Wet n Wild Duo and I used the darker shade on the on my hollows of my face. So face, cheeks. So on the hollows of my cheeks, this is the optional step. If you have time, you do it. If you don't have it, you can skip it. But yeah, it just gives a good dimension to your skin, and maybe you will look a bit more chiseled, which I really like. And also this is a very soft shade, so it complements the skin really nicely. I also used it on my nose again to give it a bit more dimension. Moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use the yellow banana shade on my lid just to take away any excess oil and hide the darkness a bit. I did not really conceal and all of that, but just because it's not needed. I am taking the same bronzy shade and applying it to my crease again for a bit of definition. I'm not really applying it as an eyeshadow, but just to give it a nice shape, because we will be applying eyeliner anyways. So I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. This is a very good liner, and I'm just drawing a wing liner. I don't know really how to explain a wing liner, but yeah, it's really difficult for me to do it because I have hooded eyes. But anyways, so if you're someone who likes wearing kajal and not a liner, go and do that. This is a very subjective thing. Whatever you like on your eyes, be it eyeliner, be it kajal, you can just go for it and do it. It's very simple to do actually. I just think a wing liner looks really good when you're like dressing up in an ethnic way. And next I'm just curling my lashes and I'll put on some mascara. You can use any mascara, maybe your favorite one. And I did not use any falsies because I don't really think in a day function we'll glam up so much that we will use falsies and all. And also not everybody wants to use it. So yeah, we will just stick to a good mascara. So I have some favorite mascaras as well. I love the Maybelline Big Shot. I love L'Oreal's Lash Paradise as well. And my all-time favorite is Lash Sensational from again Maybelline. I think I have all the mascaras from Maybelline except the new one that they have launched. I don't know if I would like it or not because the wand is not really interesting. So I did not buy it. Anyway, so I'm just applying it to my lower lashes as well. To amp up the look, I took this glitter liner from Miss Claire. It's really cheap, 250 bucks only, and I just applied it in my inner corners, like the 1/3 from the inner corner. I really tried this thing on my client few days back and she really liked it. I liked it too. This, you cannot really see this, but when the light hits your face, this looks so good. So this is just a little something to amp up the look. For the blush, for the powder blush, I'm taking this Wet n Wild blush. This is in the shade Mellow Wine, and oh my god, what a shade. You can really try this and I think you will love it. So for the highlighter, I took this Maybelline Master Chrome one, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. And specifically why I took this highlighter is when the sun hits your face and you have this on, this looks so freaking good and it's just melted. The name is perfect. It's really molten rose gold. I think you guys should try your hands on it, and if you have it, please let me know in the comment section below that if you like it or not. So I'm just using it on the usual areas, and I don't know if you guys have noticed or not, I took a smaller brush because I don't want that much of product. So for the lipstick, I took the Sugar liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Tan Fan. Everything will be listed down in the description box below, so you should check that out. To line my lips, I took the back mauve liner now after the lipstick because I just like it that way. So yeah, I'm just lining my lips. I'm just perfecting the outer liner basically, and I'm putting on my jewelries. I took this oxidized one because nowadays Bengalis are really loving it. And you can wear your hair whatever in whatever way you like. Either you can go for that bun or you can just let your hair open. So that's it. That's all for the look. I also applied a little bit, like a very small bindi, and yeah, that's done. And I just hope you guys love this video and let me know if you did or not. Definitely more videos will be coming up. Till then, you take care and bye bye.